Hey, what's up YouTube fam? I know I haven't posted a lot of videos recently, but today I'm finally gonna get some videos out for you guys. Beautiful day outside, nice and sunny. This car right here chilling on the trailer like always. What I'm gonna be doing is working on the EVO. Doing is fixing some more bumper brackets. I got the two dailies right here. Daily number 1, daily number 2. So let's go ahead and bring her on in. So I brought homegirl in. Since I'm taking off the bumper, I think I might go ahead and put on the intercooler and put on the intercooler piping. I don't know yet, I'll see, but I do know the bumper is coming off, so I could go ahead and fix these dumb brackets. There's this little bracket right here. This thing right here clips on to the bumper in there, and what it does is just pretty much holds the bumper in place. As you can see, this side has like no headlight gap, you know what I mean? It looks good right there. And if you go over here, you got this gap right here, which really annoys me. By the way, Manny, if you're watching this, you're the one that caused this and broke that. Let's go ahead and fix that, and it should fix this being wobbly too, even though I already replaced that thing. But let's go ahead and replace this little bracket thing. Set the camera right here and do a little time lapse for you guys of me removing the bumper.
Huh? What you gotta say? Ooh, damn. Ooh. What you gotta say? Ooh, Lil Pump. Damn. Ooh, yeah. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
And just like that, guys, it's done. So what I was thinking, oh, by the way, I haven't showed you guys, but I finally installed my intake and blow valve, so it's a lot more rice now. Let's see how we're gonna go ahead and replace this thing. As you can see, this side has like this little fork thing right here, a clip actually, and this side is completely broken and loose. Guys, so just to let you know, the upper intercooler piping is fairly easy to take off. It's just a 10 millimeter there, 2 12s, one here, one there, and then 110, which is a hose clamp, which is now right here since I took it off. You just have to pull on it really hard and it comes off, and this one over here too as well, you just wiggle it out and it's bam. And now we grab my other intercooler piping, the ETS one that I've been sleeping on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up just so it could look nice on the car. Guys, so I got most of the parts kind of cleaned up now. So what I'm gonna be doing now is taking off this intercooler now and installing the big one. I still haven't fixed the bumper, by the way. I got distracted with some mods. Quite simple to remove. It's just this hose clamp right here, this like rubber mounting. It's like one of those exhaust hinges, and this other exhaust hinge thing, and you should be good to go. You just have to do that. Let me go ahead and remove it real quick, you guys. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. This hose clamp, or this clip where it was being a little girl, didn't want to come off easy. Oh, stock one is out, guys. Look at that. EVO X. Alright. So this is me versus the man she told you not to worry about. No, I'm just playing around. I have a girl and she loves me for who I am. Alright, so it looks like I gotta drill out these rivets in order to take this one off and then rivet on back the brand new clip. So just took a little bit of drilling, and like that, rivets are gone, and time to rivet on the brand new one, man. This is junk. Alright, so of course with my luck, I have a couple of rivets here, actually a whole bunch of them, and neither one of them fits inside this little hole right here, and that kind of blows. And when I went to the dealer, when I was buying this thing, I asked the guy, can I get the rivets that go to this? He's like, oh no, I don't take rivets, it's just they're just screwed on. And after I was like, I highly doubt it, but I'll go off what you said, because I've taken off this bumper before and I've seen rivets on them, and he said I don't take rivets, but both sides are obviously riveted on, and now I don't got a rivet to fit. So what I'm gonna have to do is make it fit and drill out this hole a little bit bigger so the rivet could go ahead and fit in there. God damn it, my luck. As I already drilled them out, just to let you know, I am one bad mofo. Check this out. This is like perfect fitment right here. It's like tight and like just like snug, man. I am too good. Look at that, barely clears right here too. It's like, damn. Guys, I got this bad boy ready to be riveted. All set and done right there. Got the rivet. I'm trying to rivet this with one hand. Hey George, you want to come help me? You want to do it? Here, hold on, just so I can hold on to this thing right here. I can't record at the same time. That's fine. That's all it is? It snaps it off or what?
It's broken, you're gonna have to put it.
Oh, okay. I'll just do this one. At work they have the air one. Off right here, it needs to look like that. So what I'm gonna have to do is just cut that off, and I think we should be good. I'm finally gonna attempt and put the intercooler on and the upper intercooler piping. I know in the thumbnail there's gonna be the down pipe, but that's gonna be in another video. That's gonna be pretty much after I throw on the turbo that I have and the cams I have on, and pretty much all the other stuff I have. But so far I'm already getting into the rhythm of putting on the stuff. Next would be the fuel pump and stuff like that, so let's go ahead and put this on already. Intercooler on. I don't know if you guys are as picky as me, but as you can see right there, I don't like those bolts to be sticking out that way. I just put them in the back. Just give it a more simple look. I'm a little picky like that, so I don't know if you guys are or not. Now let's go ahead and put this top pipe on. Sorry I didn't record installing it. Just it's kind of a pain in the butt because the intercooler is pretty heavy, and then it's like where it goes in, it has to fit in between right there. It's kind of annoying, but I got it on. The upper intercooler piping, and we should be set to go and go for a little test drive and see how she goes. Guys, so I got everything installed now, and just those of you who have an EVO that actually watch my videos on my channel, this is like a cool little mod you can do right here. Is what I did is I blocked this off right here. I did this a while ago, before I had a YouTube channel, and then I painted this black right here, flat black, as you can see. And then the horn is right here now. It usually goes like standing up right here, and what I did was I pretty much just got the tab and I bent it and I put it like towards the back right there as it's like level and you can't really see it. And this is black, so it makes it look pretty nice and simple and clean when you put the front bumper on. You can't really see any of that stuff. Like this is black, and then you could just see that thing, which it looks pretty neat like that, honestly, to me. I'll show you guys when I put the bumper on. And by the way, this is the fog light that broke off last time. What I did was I just used some silicone just to glue it back on, just how I did this side previously. Well, this was a while ago when I first got the car. And then that's the new bracket I got. I might need to get a new bracket for this side, but this one still works pretty good, so probably not. And I'm just letting this dry. And then when I put on the bumper, you're gonna go ahead and see the difference on this black and moving the horn, which is pretty cool little mod you can do just to have a simple look. Next, what I want to do is black out the headlights. That'll look pretty clean, but I might end up buying some of those Audi style headlights, as you've seen on some other EVOs have. Those are really clean, but for right now, that's fine. I'm not gonna really do any mods like that until I finish all the other stuff on the EVO, but it's gonna take a while, but it's gonna be done very soon, guys. Let's go ahead and turn it on. First startup with the mods I did. Hopefully I did everything right, and we'll see right now. Damn it, I'm missing the key. Guys, I'm back with the key. Let's go ahead and start it. I'm glad there's no check engine lights on there. It's a good sign. and we'll go ahead and take it for a little test drive right now and hear the rice coming out of that rice thing that opens and closes and lets rice air out. So let's go ahead and do that in a little bit. And also I need to put on an exhaust, downpipe, turbo, but I might do all that once I install everything else, because it makes no sense to remove the downpipe twice and stuff like that once I put everything on. So what I'm gonna do is just once I take off the turbo and put in the cams in and take the head off, once I start like rebuilding it with the head studs and stuff like that, then I'll go ahead and throw the downpipe off the exhaust. Just it makes more sense to me. I'm not going to be struggling more than once, since it's a pain in the butt to do the downpipe on this car and just stuff like that. And it's going to be a really learning experience on doing the cams on this and the head studs and the valve springs and retainers, and it's going to be really like stressful, I'm guessing, or not really, just depending on how I do it. Like if I take my time with it, it's not gonna affect anything, since I have the daily to drive that around. But if it was like my only car and I had to do it in a weekend, then it would have been really stressful. But it's a good thing I have time with it. I'm gonna send the head out to get resurfaced and to get the cams lashed and stuff like that. Not valve lashed, it's shimmed. Get the head the cams shimmed, put some nice valve springs in it and call it a day. Put some head studs on it, bigger turbo. Hopefully we get at least 500 horsepower. So the EVO videos are coming back, you guys. So since I finally got new brackets and everything, I pulled my car outside without the bumper, so my bumper won't get messed up, because my driveway previously messed up my bumper. As you can see, that's why I'm replacing all these new things for the bumper, because of my dumb driveway. And now I've been parking it outside since I'm pretty low now, and that way I won't have to break anything anymore. I kind of hate working out on the street, but I'm just gonna do this like one time just to put the bumper on, and I think we should be good to go. Looks pretty cool. No bumper. That race car life, dude. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the bumper and throw it on. Alright guys, so it's a little later on in the day. I was letting the glue pretty much just settle in, or silicone, just to go ahead and fully dry. That way I don't put it on and it falls off again. So, well, it might fall off again. Well, finally got the fog lights back on there, looking like a car now. Probably gonna put the lip on, even though it's a little damaged. I'm probably just gonna go take it to get painted, and then it should be good to go. And then I'll get my EVO back, and I think I might plastic dip black. I'm not too sure yet. Comment down below what do you guys think I should do. Leave it chrome to have a little flash in the grill, or paint it just so it can look all black, as in I painted that black and stuff like that. So we'll see. Comment down below what you guys think I should do. Let me go ahead and throw this bumper on real quick. Guys, so I'm finally done. It's kind of dark out already, so I put my lip back on, even though it has like some paint missing some places. But what I'm gonna do is just take that to get repainted, and I'm really excited. I finally have my fog lights back, so my vision on the street is way better now. As you can see, they're super bright. They're pretty much, I think they're HIDs or LEDs. They're HIDs, and the EVO just looks way better with the lip on now. So let's go ahead and take a little test ride now. So hear some rice come out and be ricey. Let's go. I don't have an exhaust yet. Well, I have it, but I haven't put it on, so let's go see how it is. Alright guys, so I don't know how well you guys can hear this, but check it out. This is with the windows up, and then I'll do it with the windows down. Look at how bright my lights are now. Okay, let's go. Alright, now next do it with the windows down. I don't know how well you guys are hearing this, but I like the way it sounds. I can't wait to put the exhaust back on, cams, turbo, downpipe. Woo! It's gonna sound way better than just some psh, you know. And I forgot how it sounds. It sounds pretty good. I like it a lot. Alright guys, so that was that little test run we had. Oh, why is it so blurry? What the hell? Damn it. Alright guys, had that little test run. Did pretty good. Can't really tell like on the improvement power and stuff like that. It's just mainly noise and stuff. So next would be the cams, turbo, and exhaust, the head studs, valve springs, retainers, all that stuff. So stay tuned for those install videos, guys. And peace out, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I know it wasn't really like a set 2 video. I don't know what I'm gonna title it yet, but thanks you guys. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate it. And there's gonna be lots of more videos on installing the EVO. And I believe on this month of the 24th, we're gonna be at I think it's IFO Bakersfield, or I'm not quite too sure yet, but if there's a race event on the 24th, we're gonna be there. Hopefully I get a camera by then, so if there's a little bit of wind, the camera's gonna do good. Well, if I have like all the equipment and stuff, or if not, there's no wind still, I'm probably gonna have a camera by then, and I'm probably gonna get a GoPro and get some good videos for you guys, or good clips of the race car and stuff. And then after that, we're gonna tear apart the EVO and do all kinds of stuff to it. So I hope you guys subscribe if you guys ain't already. And thank you guys that are subscribed. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video. Peace out, you guys. You guys have a good one.
Y'all some plain niggas, we insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I run all my homies, who gon' stop us now?